So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Did I spit there? Sorry guys, so sorry.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on the channel. Today on the menu, I've got for you pasta. I've probably made it before, I'm sure I have. But this time I'm gonna be using basil pesto. So it's gonna be green pasta. It's gonna be yummy. It's got pasta in there, it's got chicken in there, and I'm gonna add some mushrooms in there as well. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Did I spit there? Sorry guys, so sorry. Follow me on my Instagram at MosToosifar. Follow me on my YouTube at MosToosifar as well. And enjoy the show. Okay guys, so here's the starter pack. We've got 3 pieces of chicken breast. We've got 5 mushrooms, cream. We got the basil, pesto basil, so you guys can see that. Pesto basil, we've got of course the pasta itself. All I'm going to do is quickly dice those, and then I'll move on. We'll show you what to do next. That's done. Switch places. Okay, and then with the chicken, quite simply, obviously there are some fat bits, sometimes it comes with a bowl and blah blah blah. You want to catch that and put it to a side, you know. That is done. Right, okay, so what you want to do, let that heat up for a little bit. As it's heating up, you want to add some olive oil, right? Let that heat up as well, warm up. You want to get your chicken, pour it in. Right? Come on, hurry up, ain't got all day. That's that. All you want to do now is marinate it. With what? Pinch of salt. And a bit of pepper. If we've got any left in there. That's it. Now, time to stir. Nothing else. Right? You let that go on. This is a nice, simple, quick, easy dish. Okay. As you can see, these are going on smoothly. Just turn the pan on there. What you can do, open your pasta, get a whole pack. Strong enough to open it. Pour it in. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. There you go, lovely jubbly. Now, our water has come to a boil. I'm going to try and pour it from the top. There you go, look at that. We made a mess everywhere, but there you go. Oh, that's a lot of water. Right, can you tell me why doesn't the water just go in there straight? Like, why is it so difficult pouring water out from the kettle? Spills everywhere. Isn't it designed to come just straight? Somebody explain to me that. Right, let that go do its thing. I do apologise about the whole cooker, it's gone really dirty. Let me dry it up a little bit, eh? It's terrible, that is. This is terrible. Okay, as you can see, that's coming to a boil, that's changed colour, ready to put the mushrooms in. Let's go. Stick it all in there, right? You want to try and get this to warm and soften up the mushrooms, right? Let me just turn that down so it doesn't go overflow. Yeah. Stir it up nicely, let the juice and all of that go everywhere. Look at that, that is beautiful, that is. Lovely, jubbly, that is. That's amazing. Right, there's that. There you go. Mix that up, use the same spoon, stick a bit of flavour in there. Right, give it a little stir so it doesn't all stick together. right? Let that go. Let that go on high heat, full capacity. Let it go, and then what do you do? Oh, guys, if you could smell this, this stuff is beautiful. Pesto. It's a vegetarian pesto basil. That's what it is. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, where's my little spoon? Get it? Stick it, pour all of it. This says it serves up to 5 people, but I couldn't care less. I like my food rich and tasty. So, yeah. The whole thing is going in there. Only the whole thing. And nothing else. Okay. Look at that. You've got the mushrooms soften up. Get that back. Keep going. Look at that. Just look at that. Will ya? Pesto, chicken, mushrooms. Oh my god. Guys, that pesto smells beautiful. Smells amazing. You know? Right? And we haven't even added the cream to it yet. Look at this. That's beautiful, that is. That's lovely. Absolutely lovely. Right? Get that going. Stick it in there, give it a little wiggle. Wiggle it about. Wiggle it about. Done. Now, time to add some cream. If this opens. There you are, look at that. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Doesn't the colors just look healthy? Comment below what you guys think of this so far. Right? Wiggle it about, wiggle it about. You are almost ready. It's been 6 minutes now for this. I'm still gonna let it go. And then you wanna drain it. Right? You can keep going, my friend. And then just gently mix this. Right? Look at that. Just look at that, that's amazing. It's a little bit watery, which is fine. All you will do is let it go on. Let it cook for a bit, and then it'll get rid of the water that's in there, and then it'll become like a thick, kind of like a thick sauce. Not so much, but yeah. It won't be like this. Alright? There you are. All you want to do now, get rid of that. Just a tiny bit of olive oil. Put it in there, right? You want to mix it. This will help. It won't stop it completely, but it will help it from sticking to each other. If there's any leftovers and you want to put it in the fridge for like the next day or the evening or whatever. So the olive oil will allow it to keep them separate and not stuck together like elastic bands or whatever. Do you know what I mean? Right, now give it the final stir. Make sure that's not, you know, see that? See how it's got a little bit thicker? Now all the mushrooms have softened up, it's become soft, and it's yummy to eat now. So all you want to do is this. Get your bowl, pour it in, just like so. Okay. sure I'm not spilling anything. Sorry guys, this may take a little bit longer. Should have picked up a bigger spoon. Anyway. A tiny bit more. When I say tiny, you guys know I mean a lot, right? That'll do, that's fine, okay? And now, let me use the other one. Get your other spoon and just place it on top. Get some of that chicken, get some of that mushroom. Can you guys see that? Is it clear? Right. Just put some on top. Get some of the juice. Go on top. One more. Just for the fun of it. Okay? And then what you want to do is get your pepper, go on top. We're not done. Now you get your grater and you got some cheese. Just grate it gently over the top. Just a little bit to give it some colour. Make it look nice and of course give it some taste. There you are. And that's for you guys. Enjoy. Pasta, mushrooms, cream and some cheddar cheese. Bon appetit. Make sure you follow me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my, follow me on Instagram, all under the name of MosToosifar. See you next time, guys.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come